everybody. Welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mandal in Scratch. So let's go and get started. First, let's go and click the create button as usual. As you can see, I am on my account SB-star, and we are going to X out the cat. If you want, you can choose another sprite, but I will just make how about a pen? Yeah, let's make a pen. It will draw the mandal. So anyways, now what you're going to do is you're going to go click on the code and pretend this is the pen. So if you want, you can name it pen. And actually, we are going to be using the pen category in Scratch. So let's go and get started. Anyways, it's going to be keeps turning some degrees. So if you want to change it or something, if you want to do some changes, or like I did in that other video, you can drag out this point in direction 90 block, and then it's going to go to this 0, 0, and 0. And then it's going to make, actually, it's going to make that. You don't have to do 0, 0, but I'm just telling you just to do it in the front. Okay, so here is the pen. This is the pen. It's just hidden because I don't know why it's just hidden. It's just like hidden. Where is it now? Oh my God. Wait, why is it still so tiny? I can't pull it. I can't pull it now. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna make actually a circle, and then that circle is going to be the pen. Okay, got it. Don't have to do that. It's okay because we're making a mandal, right? So let's drag out this block and say 0, 2. Yeah, that's the middle. And then we are going to drag out and erase all. How do we get an erase all? But when you click on this all of these things, like these are actually called extensions. So we're gonna get the pen extension because that's how you can get the erase all. So get the erase all block and put it here. Okay, now what you're going to do is we can wait about 1 second, and then we're going to do something else. What are you going to do? We're going to start drawing, right? So instead, we are going to drag out a pen down. That pen down is going to make something. Maybe you can set the pen color to pick random or something. Maybe you can set the pen color to indigo maybe, and then put pen down. And then let's go ahead and do more. So what you're going to do next is you're going to repeat a few times. We're going to make a mandal. That's how it's going to make the mandal. So maybe we can make it, how about perhaps 25 times. And then put that there. Now what you're going to do is you are going to move 10 steps. It might be a little bit too less, so let's go ahead and make it 100 steps. Whoa, it's too much. Okay, here we go. Now you're gonna turn some degrees, perhaps these many degrees, and you are going to make 105 degrees. This is going to be how you are going to make it. Okay. Whoa, isn't that so cool? We made a mandal. So that is how you can make a mandal in Scratch. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.